Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X30 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this NOKIA smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Privacy. After that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Calendar. Then select one of those apps, in my case Clock, and click on the best option for you, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow, so when I go back, as you can see, my device's Clock just gained access to my device's Calendar. But you can always select any app and then click on See All Clock Permissions instead. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!